For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
For those thinking that the pandemic will subside by the end of 2020, this MIT study might be a rude awakening. Researchers and scientists world over are burning the midnight oil to create a COVID-19 vaccine. But till date, this much-craved vaccine still remains elusive. A study by MIT has predicted that the total COVID-19 cases worldwide could spike to 20 to 30 crore. This number is predicted for spring 2021 if the vaccine for the disease is not discovered. The study compiled data collected from 84 countries, comprising 60% of the world population. India recently overtook Russia as the third worst affected country in the world after the US and Brazil. However, the study suggests that by the end of February 2021, India would be the worst hit country in the world. If no treatment is found, India is forecasted to report around 2.87 lakh COVID-19 cases per day by February 2021. India will be followed by the US with 95,000 cases per day and South Africa with 21,000 cases being reported per day. The researchers at MIT used the Susceptible, Exposed, Infectious, Recovered model. This is a standard mathematical model used for analyzing infectious diseases used by epidemiologists. The study took into account three scenarios, the first being the current testing rates and their results. The second scenario was if testing was increased by 0.1% per day from July 1st, 2020. The last scenario involved the assumption that testing remained at current levels and one person infected 8 people. The model showed the importance of early and aggressive testing for the virus. This could help contain the virus and prevent an exponential growth of cases. At the current testing rate, the model predicted cases would rise at 1.55 billion in 84 countries. However, if testing is increased by 0.1% per day, the cases would be around 1.37 billion world over. Both scenarios project a huge burden of new cases in the months of September and November 2020. The third scenario shows a projection of dramatically fewer cases of around 60 crores worldwide. The MIT researchers have also stated that the number of infections and deaths are more than being reported.
While actual cases are far greater than official reports suggest, the majority of people remain susceptible. Waiting for herd immunity is not a viable path out of the current pandemic.
The MIT research has also estimated total infections at 8.85 crore and deaths at 6 lakh on June 18th. However, according to Johns Hopkins University, as of June 18th, COVID-19 infections were at 8.24 million and deaths at 4,54,610 globally.